Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix hotspot not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you turn on off airplane mode. Turn airplane mode back on after 5 minutes. After that, go to your phone setting. Then go to your Wi-Fi connection. Now check all network hotspot setting. After that, go back. You find here General Management. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. You can see here Reset. Tap on this. Next, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. You can see that Reset setting. Tap on Reset. After that, tap on your phone power icon. And now restart your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully.